Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2 and DJI Spark 2 released together? We'll find out coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Before we get to the subject of today's video, wanted to state Ostalev put out an additional fact regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. And here it is, it's up on the screen. One more thing, top speed of Mavic Pro 2 is 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode, just like Phantom 4 Pro Advanced. Okay, that's an additional fact that we did not know regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. Now for the subject of today's video. Bill, are you crazy? Where are you getting this idea from? Well, let me explain, okay? On November 15, 2016 in Los Angeles, DJI held an event, and I'll put the slide up on the screen, called Control/Create. And at that event, the Phantom 4 and the Inspire 2 were introduced. So there is a history behind DJI releasing two drone products at once. And here are some other indications that we're getting as well. And I'm going to read some of these things for you. And I'll put the slide up on the screen. Ostalev stated DJI Spark got 15% off as promised. Now, that's the DJI store. That's not, that's not looking at retail outlets like Best Buy, Amazon, and so forth. Just wanted to be clear on that. Next slide. Official price tag of every DJI product goes down before next generation coming out. When you see one of them get discount permanently, you can expect the next generation. This is, and then there's Chinese there, and somebody else translated that as routine. So this is routine. So what I'm going to go over, these next few slides, are going to be current prices of both the DJI Spark and the DJI Mavic Pro in different retail outlets. First, we're going to go to DJI's retail outlet, and I'm going to put all these slides up on the screen here so you could see these. The Spark is listed at $399. Now, it had USD $499, so that's what it initially was for sale for on DJI's website. So that is a price drop. The next slide I'm going to put up on the screen is the DJI Mavic Pro. Now, this is on DJI's website, and they have it advertised for $999. Remember this, I'm going to come back to it near the end of the video. Now we're going to go to Best Buy's website. And the Spark, now this is not, the prices that I'm quoting are not fly more combos. These are the drone and the controller itself. For Best Buy, they have $349 right now. Now, in Best Buy, for the DJI Mavic Pro, they have $849. Okay, that's a reduction of $150 off the retail price of $999. Now we're going to go ahead and go to Amazon, and the DJI Spark is listed for $345. The next slide, we're going to go again to Amazon, and the DJI Mavic Pro is now listed at $799. What does all this mean, Bill? Well, what I'm going to tell you is this. You know what I told you to jot down and remember a few seconds ago? The DJI Mavic Pro at DJI is $999. When you see the price of that drop, that is your clue that the release is going to be imminent. That's number one. And number two, I'm going to refer back, and I'll put that slide up again here, what Ostalev said about price dropping. And when that is a huge signal that something is coming. And the reason I'm talking about right now, it seems that the price dropping is in conjunction, although you're seeing DJI first, and then you're seeing other retailer on the Spark, and you're seeing other retailers first on the Mavic Pro. But I believe those are going to line up real shortly, and when that lines up, like I said, watch what happens when DJI lowers the price of the Mavic Pro at their website. you're going to see the release is going to be imminent, number one. And number two, because of this, because these price drops are happening in conjunction with one another, and the information that Adobe has released on both the DJI Mavic Pro 2 and the DJI Spark 2, I believe this is going to be a dual announcement in New York City. The reason I'm saying New York City, Los Angeles tends to favor what I would call professional cinematography, versus New York City is probably more on the consumer end. And the Inspire 2 and the Phantom 4 are more professional cinematography, although I have a hard argument in buying the Phantom 4 is being in that category by itself. But you can easily make a case that the DJI Mavic Pro and the DJI Spark are definitely in the consumer end of things. So that's my prediction. I'm still sticking with this March 23rd date. Adobe had come out and said that earlier. I think that's golden. Question of the day. What do you think? Do you think that both the DJI Mavic Pro 2 and the DJI Spark 2 will be released together? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much for everybody who's come on board Build a Drone Reviewer. We're growing like crazy. Please make sure you tell your friends about us. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and definitely hit that like button. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone industry, and of course, any DJI related news goes out there as well. And also check out my blog where all the videos will get posted out there. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.